Hey there, you're welcome to Scodemy. My name is Philemon. In this video, I am going to teach you how to add or remove track changes in your Word document. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our page for more subsequent and educative content on this matter. Track changes helps us to monitor changes in our document over time, okay, especially when we are sharing it with colleagues or friends. Now, in doing track changes, ensure that you are on the review page. Inside the review page, on the right side, you will see tracking. Let's say we want to insert track changes in this document. So you come to the tracking, click on the drop down arrow. Now, when you click on the drop down, or if you want to track this document, you just click on track changes this way, so it's highlighted. Now this means that if any changes you do in this file, it will be documented. So let's say we have the introduce the topic and all that. So let's say we want to create a space here. When you bring any change over here, you see a line that is created here telling you that it is actually tracking the changes that you are making so far. So let's say we do not like this text, we want to delete it from here. You select it and you delete it. This is how it will appear, so that whoever you are sharing it with would know that there was information here but it was taken out, and it is up to the person to accept or reject the changes that you have made in the document. Okay, so let's say we want to bolden this area, for instance. So we highlight it, we bolden it. It will indicate over here that I made a change on this document and I boldened it. Okay, so it is actually tracking every movement or every change that we make inside here. Let's say this is not okay, so we delete it, or we add another full stop to this. It tracks every single thing that we have over here. Or let's say I want the person that I am the one reviewing this document, but I want the person that the information goes to add further information over here. Now as I type, it tracks it. Okay, so when it goes, the person will know that this is the information that I actually put over here. All right, so let's say after adding the track change, you send it to the person. Now the person would have to either accept or reject or remove the track changes in the document. So if you want to add or reject or accept any track changes, now let's be on the review, then we come to tracking. You click on the drop down arrow, you see several options that you have. So we have the accept, we have the reject. So let's say we want to accept this particular change. Okay, all you have to do is to click on the drop down arrow under the accept, then you say accept this change, and you see it has accepted, and the change was that it was deleted. Okay, but let's say that we did another change over here, but we do not want to accept this change, we want to reject it. You come here, you come under the tracking, then you come to reject, you click on the drop down arrow, then you say reject this change, and it gets deleted. Let's say you have gone through the documents and you have decided to accept every single thing or every corrections that were made in the document. All you have to do is to come to tracking, come to accept, then you select accept all changes and stop tracking, because you do not want the document to be tracked any longer. You are done and you like every single thing that has been done in the document and you accept it. So you come to accept all changes and stop tracking. The moment you click on it, every single thing, every single change that has been tracked would go off, and you have your clean sheet like this again. So this is how you can accept, reject, add or remove track changes in your documents.